Hello guys, welcome to my another video on Sesh Backpacker. Today I am going to cover about a day or a night stay at Vikarabad, and I'll let you know what all the places to cover in Vikarabad and how to get to Vikarabad and the budget. So let's not waste the time and get into the video, and please do like, share and comment. Thank you. Yeah, finally we are at the Ananthagirihills and we are at the monsoon time. This is the view on the Ananthagirihills. It's really awesome to be here at this moment. Oh, I have something. Let's see this. Yeah, we are at the Ananthagiri Hills and this is the hill view. We are just walking to the top of the hill. Here it is. This is actually a small hill and the other hill is that side, and we directly came here. Here we go. This is the view. I can hear the peacocks. It's raining over here. Hey guys, we have reached Kotepally Reservoir. We have a kayaking here, and this is the view. It's raining, it's drizzling actually. This is the view here. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and let's now discuss about the budget. And approximately you can visit Vikarabad around 900 rupees. Trust me, if you're taking a train or a bus, you can visit Vikarabad by 900 rupees, or if you want to go by car, it will cost you around 2000 per head. I'll let you know the details now. If you want to go by train, you have to take a train from Hyderabad, and it will drop you till Vikarabad. It will cost you around 100 rupees, and from there you have to opt a bus or an auto. If you're taking an auto, it will cost you around 300 rupees per head, and you have to ask the auto guy to take you to the Ananthagiri Hills, and you can view a temple called Padmanabha Swami Temple and Ananthagiri Hills. Hills top station view, and from there you have to go to Kotepally Reservoir, which is 20 kilometers from Ananthagiri Hills, and there you can do kayaking, and you can play in the water. So let's coming to the car. If you're taking a car, I suggest you to take my choice cars, because they are very reasonable rates than Zoom car. uh, in my choice, you can take a car from Hyderabad to Vikarabad around 1800 rupees for a Swift, and 2500 for Scorpio. In Zoom cars, for Swift it will cost you around 3000, and for Scorpio or XUV it will cost you around 4000, 3500 to 4000. If you're taking my choice cars, for Swift car will cost you around 1400 for 120 kilometers, and for extra kilometers it will cost you around 7 rupees per kilometer. So it will come around 1800 to and fro. And Scorpio or XUV, it will come, for Scorpio it will cost you around 2500, for XUV it will cost you around 2800. So coming to the details for food, and if you wanna have food near Ananthagiri Hills, there are two hotels available in front of temple, and you can have meals or a tiffin at there. And after that you have to go to Kotepally Reservoir, and there you can do kayaking. Kayaking costs you around 200 for half an hour and 300 for 1 hour. And if you're taking a two-seater kayaking, it will cost you around 400 rupees for a half an hour, and 1 hour for 500 rupees. And you have many food stalls near the reservoir, and you don't have to worry about the food. Pav bhaji will cost you around 60 rupees, so you don't have to worry about the food. For 300 it will be more than enough for a whole day. So if you're planning for a night stay, and there is a resort called Grasswalk Resort and Harita Resorts, they are very good, and that will cost you around 3000 to 3500 per night. And I suggest Grasswalk Resort, and because they'll be having campfire, and the next day they will be suggesting you to go to nearby places, and the greenery is very good near the Grasswalk Resort. So it will cost you around 3000 to 3500. And from Kotepally Reservoir to resorts, the distance is around 35 kilometers, I'm sorry. And you can take autos from Kotepally Reservoir to there, or you can take bus. Auto will cost you around 500 rupees, and bus will cost you around 100 to 150 rupees, not more than 100. So this is all you can complete. If you're going by car, you can complete a 1 day trip in, for example, if you're going, four people are going for 1 day trip, it will cost you around 4000 to 5000 for 4 people, including food, kayaking, and visiting hill station, including the car. So it will cost you around 4000 to 5000 for a day trip. If you're planning for a night stay, it will cost you around 9000, including the food in resort, and the resort cost, and the traveling charges, and traveling charges, and the reservoir, kayaking, and everything will cost you around 8000 to 9000. So please ping me for any questions. I'll be very happy to answer you all the questions. So if you like the video, please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Let's see you in another video.